We see three major trends. Networking is becoming service-centric. By moving away from selling simple pipes, service providers are no longer concerned only with cost-cutting, but also with increasing their revenue stream via value-added offerings. To this end, we see the NFV market growing to enable intelligent service-aware networks. We also see the IT and telecom domains beginning to converge. Revolutionary developments such as data center virtualization, which started in IT, are now spilling over to the network. As cloud adoption expands, we'll see virtualization support getting closer to end users, and RAD is a key player in bringing it to the network edge. All of this requires simpler management, which is yet another trend we see today. Simplifying the current OSS-BSS model by abstraction and implementing standard APIs are two examples of what's keeping the industry busy today. A key solution that RAD has introduced is distributed NFV, or in short DNFV, at the customer edge. RAD was the first to market a combination of Layer 2, Layer 3 network interface device with a DNFV server platform in a single device, which enables service providers to download network functions and service applications to the customer edge. The solution and the concept behind it are met with enthusiastic response by the industry, and it has also won the NFV Innovation of the Year award. The reason for this is that it enables service providers to launch DNFV-based services today. Its practical approach that doesn't require service providers to heavily invest in expensive data centers or network redesign before collecting revenues from new value-added services. Instead, they are able to compete better with agile service introduction, compelling try-and-buy options, simpler management, and better reliability, all of which translate to happier end customers. Another area of innovation we've been focusing on was miniaturization. Our programmable MyNID provides demarcation, SLA assurance, performance monitoring, and other functionalities for Layer 2, Layer 3 services. Its programmable nature allows the addition of other network functions and applications as needed using the same device. At the same time, its extreme small form factor allows it to act as a performance booster or solve specific operational challenges without replacing the existing installed base. These are two novel elements that are part of the RAD's service-assured access solution that is designed to allow mobile business and wholesale providers to ultimately deliver greater value to their customers. In 2014 has seen quite a few NFV-related product launches and some proof-of-concept demonstrations. For example, RAD participated in an ETSI-approved distributed NFV proof-of-concept in June, led by CenturyLink and sponsored carrier. In 2015, we'll see more trials and even initial deployments. This means that the scope of the orchestration, which until now was limited to central locations, will extend to include more network functions, elements, and locations, all the way to the end customer. As a result, we'll see more effort to turn SDN controllers and orchestration platforms to truly open ones, as well as deeper integration of networking and IT solutions to fit the carrier environment. Besides NFV, service providers will be deploying more cost-effective devices that enable network functions distribution, such as the RAD's MyNID. Another important networking development relates to the proliferation of LTE, LTE Advanced, and small cell, which come with challenges in backhaul, accurate timing, distribution, and performance monitoring. This is another area which is well addressed with RAD's service-assured solutions. As NFV and SDN are evolving from concept to deployment, most of the standardization efforts will focus on operational aspects such as management and orchestration, which are meant to give carriers the proper tools for practical implementation. MEF has done a tremendous job in moving Ethernet to Carrier Ethernet, first with Carrier Ethernet 1.0 and then Carrier Ethernet 2.0. Now it needs to move to supporting SDN and NFV in the Carrier Ethernet environment and network as a service. MEF is in a unique position to do so, since its members fairly represent both service providers and vendors. Together, we at MEF need to come with a set of definitions for an orchestration processes as well as APIs. To ensure wide acceptance by the industry, the MEF should also collaborate with other standard defining organizations on these processes and interfaces.